Hello friends! On this 2-Minute Tuesday, we talk about the aftermath of Snowstorm Ashley. Stay tuned. The last few months have been unseasonably warm in the Midwest. In fact, 3 weeks into December, I was turning my compost and it was about 50 degrees. Then, on December 29th, this happened.
It is really beautiful. Look at this at the end of the driveway. I'm gonna break my back today. So here's to looking on the bright side of things. Everybody was safe this morning, and now here we are. No place like home.
Well, now it finally feels like winter time. In fact, all of the snow has gotten our parents' generation talking about the snowstorm of '59, when we got about 1.5 feet of snow and drifts were 3 or 4 feet high. Very impressive. I hope that the weather wherever you are is exactly how you like it. Thanks for watching. I'm the Midwest Man Mountain. Be sure to subscribe, and until next time, bye.